Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand microwave and it's giving you an F1 error and you're wondering what's going on and what you need to do to get rid of this error. So the F1 error is generally the thermal sensor that is inside the microwave, and it is giving you this error most likely because the microwave has been overheated. So what you need to do for this to get rid of this error is, maybe you were trying to cook something for a really long time or something that absorbed a lot of heat and it got really just overheated inside the microwave. So what you want to do is just let your microwave cool down completely and unplug it from the wall. And so you might even need to let it, stay unplugged for an hour or so to get it totally cooled down. And then plug it back in, and that should get rid of this error. And hopefully, if you don't overheat your microwave again, the error won't come back. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.